Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Look at the euro pound and see where we can identify supply and demand areas. On the monthly, there's a level of it's not really strong, but it's a level of supply regardless that's been keeping price down, been touching it, and then eventually it penetrated deeper and deeper, and eventually broke this monthly area of supply. But we want price to close higher, but regardless, it did break this area of supply on the monthly. So we have a brand new area of demand created down here. So that I can draw this. Okay. So you can see price broke through that. And so we have a new area of demand created down here. So definitely long bias. Okay. On the weekly, we have this area of supply being taken out too, and then price dropped. So we're looking, this is good, this is a good thing. We do want price to drop to retrace to our area of demand so we can go long. But the problem is this. I mean, if you want to take it, you could, but it just depends on what your trading plan is. For my trading plan, this basing is not very strong. You see, they call this the staircase because it's, you know, going up and up and up. Now, basis should not really look like this. It should look more like this, where it's just small candle bodies. If it has a tail, it's not as high odds as if it's just like a small candle body that doesn't have the tail, but it shouldn't. But it should be like relatively level with each other, and then it's just, you know, drop, base, drop. But this is considered a base, but it's staircasing up, and so this is not really high odds. So what we want to do is we want to wait until price reaches this area, and then price to drop into this area, you know, kind of does this, and then go long right here. So you kind of wanted to show that it can get the power to go up, and then we want to buy, and then buy on the way up. So this kind of basing I don't like. I want to wait until price reaches to this area and see what it's going to do. It could just break this area and indicate that it's going to go lower all the way to down here. And this is where I set up my alert, because this is where I want to go long, because this is the area where it's located right here. But we're in an uptrend. We're in a clear uptrend, so it's okay to go long, because this kind of move to the downside is going to take months and months and a couple months. So if you don't have the patience to wait for that and you want to trade on the way up, then you can trade in this zone, but this is not a high odds zone. So I would just wait until price gets down here and then show that it's going to go up before you start buying. And so on the daily, we have this area of demand created. So I will wait for price to get down to here. So I'm gonna set an alert here. So if price reaches here and start going up, then I want to buy. I want to buy its retracement. Okay, so the daily is daily, you want to buy here. You don't want to do anything else. On the 4-hour, it's in this area of supply is in control, and then this area, it created this new area of supply right here. Okay. So price looks like it's going to be, so the monthly is in a uptrend because this area of supply has been taken out. It's in an uptrend. Weekly is in an uptrend. It's retracing to this area of demand, but the basing is not good, so we can't just set our buy limit order here and just buy here. So we want to wait until price gets down here, see what it's gonna do, if it's gonna bounce, and then we want to buy on the way up. Same with the daily. You want to wait until it hits this area and see if it's good to buy on the way up, because there's still tons of room for profit. And then the 4-hour is short. It's supplies in control, so we don't want to sell. You can sell on its way down because it looks like it's making its way down to this area of demand and this area of demand. So depending on your strategy and your trading plan, if you can counter trade, then you want to sell on the 4-hour all the way down to here. If you're trading with a trend, then you want to wait until down here for confirmation and then buy on its way up. Okay, and that is the analysis on Euro Pound. I hope you found it helpful, and please share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.